Otro pinche yonke. Shit kicks on. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, we're on our way right now. Milton Motors called me that the wrecker is about to get there to the vacant lot that we have. So it's the 1995 Ford F-350 diesel. We bought over there in Memphis, Tennessee. Took probably about a week, 2 weeks to get here. Then just called me, say it was here. Stay tuned to see when they go up here. Let's see if we can see the truck real quick. Oh yeah, there we go. Should wait in there. Done. Looks like they put the tire on it. They didn't have the tire. Oh wait, no, they didn't. I gotta see it. Yes, no, they didn't. Shit. Look at that brown part.
No le dieron tiempo a nada, pues ya lo conocían bien. Sabían que por derecho muerto.
So right away it has the hitch. It's like it has the straight pipe as well. Hello, hon. ¿Qué dice? Sí, ya le llevo para otro. Ya está, gracias. No rust, that's a good thing. Let's do a quick walk around. Ahorita we'll start it on. It's an F-350 diesel. The pinch switch. front end damage, suspension, and 2 rims. Close the door. Body's in good shape. Right now I was seeing that it's under the toe that it came with the exhaust already, so that's good. Rims all beat up. Gooseneck, that's another plus. See how the bed is, you see? The crooked. Probably because they don't have a, looks like it has a lift kit already. Probably doesn't. Probably only just needs to, get the lug nuts. Screwed. BMW, it's good. Diesel. Let's look at the interior. Probably, hopefully it's salvageable, you know. They gonna be able to, I probably have to switch out the whole interior. Just pop the hood. That's the one. Oh, next now. Okay, 4x4. Let's see. Where's that? Direct injection diesel. Motorcillo. New battery is 120, not bad. Turbo. A lot of people say that, I was reading on the forums that we gotta switch that part out. Cause it's like real pinchy and you can tell that, you see it. I had to switch it up to a straight pipe. Moment of truth to see if it starts. It said that it did start, so let's check it out. The verge. It started, but it looks like it's hitting somewhere. Yeah. It's probably hitting where it's crashed. Oh, okay. See inside there? It's like an inch. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like a string in there. What the fuck? Where the hell did this come from? It's probably from the fucking fan clutch thing. There. But it did start. Let's try to push this out of the way to see if it starts. Alright, let's try one more time. Here goes. Let's go to the rear. Go front. CT 4x4. Pues valió. Probably an easy fix. But there it is, boys and girls. A 1995 F-350 diesel, long bit, 4x4, 8 lug. Stay tuned for this project. My plan is to do a 10-inch lift, some probably forged or American forged rims, black. Plan on keeping all the little chrome that it has, or maybe do chrome rims. I don't know yet. There she is, boys. Hopefully doesn't have any frame damage. Switch the damn door out. Bodywork painted. I'll probably have the fucking bed too. See how it is. Stay tuned, guys. Peace. This truck is pretty much the one I want to do it identical to it. This one's 26 by 12s or 14s, American Forces, 10-inch lift, 4x4. This one's a 97. I saw this one on Instagram. It's pretty much identical. You guys see it. It's a beautiful truck. Pretty, that's my plan for it.
Anda a avisar a la piedra que mataron a Eleazar.
I'm gonna put a small clip to see, so you guys can see how much I paid for it. You'll probably be thinking, man, this guy probably paid a lot for it. But check out the clip. It was going live in the auction, so I can see.
1950, el mes de agosto corría. Ya murió Eleazar del Fierro, lo mató la policía. Vinieron de Matamoros a quererlo desarmar.
$1,500. And these trucks run around 7-6, of course, fixed up good and everything. But $1,500 for a 7.3 with 260,000 miles. That's a good deal for me. Once it's fixed up, everything how I want it. I mean, it did come with the salvage title, but who cares, man? I really don't. A lot of people do care about that stuff. I don't. Shit, for $1,500, I wouldn't care. So yeah, guys. I mean, I did see that it did have a little framework. Probably are gonna have to take it to the body shop. And I was planning on fixing that one out if it was nothing but body work, but I mean it doesn't. So see how much probably the body shop.
A balazos lo mató con